Hello there, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks. And this is the Tech Travel Geeks unboxing and first impressions or review of the KWMOBILE TPU silicon case for the Poco M3 smartphone. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks on YouTube. Right then, so this is the KWMOBILE case as delivered by Amazon here in the UK. Now, you may remember a while ago the Tech Travel Geeks unboxed and provided a setup video of the Poco M3, and I've been using the Poco M3 as a sort of secondary phone, mainly at home, as a media player and other things. And the included case is nice. It's a nice little silicon cover, a bit like what our friend Chris over at TechSpert calls a condom case. And I think it's time to upgrade. The stickiness of it was sometimes annoying me a little whilst I was holding the device, and I wanted something a bit brighter. The key thing is that when I ordered the Poco M3, I really wanted one as soon as it came out. And one of the key features of the Poco M3 was the bright yellow or egg yellow color of the Poco M3. But at launch, that wasn't available here in the UK. So I ended up getting the blue version, which is very nice blue pleather finish. If you look at it closely, it is pleather. But now it's time to upgrade and get that yellow I need in my life, especially in these deep, dark winter hours. It's something I think is necessary. So I've just put the case on the Poco M3, and as you can see, everything seems to be in order. There's a nice little cutout on the side of the case for the fingerprint scanner, which works perfectly well. Let's have a look at the volume buttons for the volume rocker. Yep, no stickiness, working as expected. And you can see that at the top there's cutouts for the Courage port, that's the 3.5mm audio jack. There's cutouts for the microphone and infrared blaster. Very useful feature that I really enjoy on Xiaomi smartphones. And on the underside there's a cutout for the microphone hole, the USB Type-C for charging, and the speaker grill. So all as expected. This case doesn't have any holes for lanyard loops, but in terms of how it feels, it's less sticky. It's not as sticky as the included Poco M3 case. It feels nice to hold in the hand. It's not too slippery, and it's a softer touch, let's put it that way. And as you can see on the screen itself, there is no issue regarding the case covering any of the visible screen. It's all visible, so all good there. So, yes, I think I can recommend this case for £6.99. You get it on next day delivery from Amazon Prime. I purchased this just yesterday and arrived today, so I'm very happy with the purchase. The camera cutout is decent. It does give the camera module some clearance, but not a lot. But for £6.99, nothing to complain about. We'll put the link in the description on where you can purchase this KWMOBILE case for the Poco M3 smartphone. And if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We will be publishing more videos going forward, and one of them will be the long-term review of the Poco M3 smartphone. So thanks for watching, and goodbye from us.